This is Telangana 10 Plus Biological Sciences question paper of March 2025. This paper is shared by Renu Shankar, Tanuj Rathod and Cherishma. Thank you each one of you for sharing your papers with us. You can also share your question papers at our mail ID tajquestionbank@gmail.com along with your name and place. Do check the comment section. You will find links to all subjects previous year question papers including social studies. Thank you Renu Shankar, Tanuj Rathod and Cherishma for sharing your papers. If you also have a question paper, please share it at our mail ID tajquestionbank@gmail.com. There is a yes here. It is TAJS questionbank@gmail.com. Let's meet in another video. Until then, bye.